Especially if your parents, or if your owners forget to pick it up. She's getting kind of angry. And she's getting ready to bite somebody's arm off if they make a mistake.